The city which I come from, it did not had that much of opportunities and acceptance for the skin tone. It was very challenging to get more jobs and to grow, even though I won Miss Rajasthan there. But one day, my Panditji just called me and he's like, you know what, Apuga, you should be in Bombay. And it was what, 28th of December, and 1st of January I was in Bombay. When I came here, I was like, this is it. This is what I used to think of. It's that iconic song Mehbooba, and if I'm doing it, it'll be a pleasure for me to do so. It was my first song. I've never done a music video before this.
मुंबई की तरफ और बॉलीवुड की तरफ कैसे रुक गए आप ना?
सो मेरे पंडित जी ने बोला था मुझे कि आपको बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो जाना चाहिए. But more than that, when I was 3 years old, we were not allowed to watch films. So the only film which I first saw was DDLJ. And when I saw it, I was like, okay, this is something I want to do forever. And then slowly, when I grew up, I started doing dancing and acting and mimicking people. And after that, when I was in 11th and 12th grade, I started getting modeling opportunities. So I still remember the first job which I did was for like 1500 rupees. And I did like 100 changes for that job. And like, it was my first modeling job. So it was nice, but at the same time, the city which I come from, it did not had that much of opportunities and acceptance for the skin tone. So it was very challenging to get more jobs and to grow, even though I won Miss Rajasthan there. But I wanted to do more, so I moved to Delhi. And after moving to Delhi, I got a lot of love from designers. I walked fashion weeks, and they actually appreciated my skin tone. But then, I was doing my theater and other things in Delhi only. I was in GS Mary College, so it was quite fun. But one day, my Panditji just called me, and he's like, "You know what, Apuga? You should be in Bombay." And it was what, 28th of December, and 1st of January I was in Bombay. I was like, this is it. And when I was a child, I used to get visuals of a city which has a lot of traffic. There's a moisture in the air, and I come from Rajasthan, it's a dry state. So you know when I came here, I was like, this is it. This is what I used to think of. And yeah, I just loved it after coming to Bombay. And yeah.
जैसा आपका माइंडसेट था कि आपको बॉलीवुड में जाना है, फिर भी होता है ना कि एक कदम आगे पीछे होता है, लेकिन कोई फैमिली मेंबर या कोई दोस्त या जो पुश करता है या पीछे रहता है कि नहीं तुझे करना है, ये करना है, जो एक बूस्ट करता है, वैसा कोई था?
Fortunately, my both my parents are in education background. I am somebody who believes in not trying. I believe in making it happen anyhow. So the thing is that because of the conservative background and everything, no one really pushed me to do it. I just felt like I need to prove myself, whether by working on my craft or whether uh, showing them by winning a crown, by showing them, getting that exposure on the newspaper. It was a big deal for my parents to see that. And I never asked them. I just made it happen. Like I did everything possible to make them proud, where they get a trust in me, and then they allowed me to, like, go to Delhi. And then it was a fun story after that.
तो महबूबा सॉन्ग आपको कैसे मिला?
So dancing is something which I enjoy. Like, it's my daily workout. I do workout also, but I do dancing also. So I can't, there's no day when I'm not dancing, or there's no day when I'm not mimicking or acting or something I'm doing. So I I just went to Tips office, and I've been really wanting to work with them. I was very specific with the people I want to work. Like, I have my likings. So I just went and I just told them that I would be more than glad to work with you. And then Kumar ji saw that potential in me, and
कुमार जी, कुमार तोरानी जी?
yes,
ओके।
he really saw the potential in me, and I'm glad and I'm really, really grateful to him. And then he gave me that song. They made me hear it, and when I heard it for the first time, I just loved it. I was like, it's that iconic song, Mehbooba, and if I'm doing it, it'll be a pleasure for me to do so. So yeah, I mean, I got a chance to perform on it, nothing like it. So yeah.
जैसे आपको ऑफ़र हुआ तो थोड़ा हार्ट बीट्स बढ़ गए थे कि यार अरे कैसे कर पाओगी ये चीज़ों को?
Arey, a lot because it was my first song. I've never done a music video before this. Even though I was like very strong with my dancing skills and other things, but I wanted to make sure that there's a strong performance which is coming across. And for more than anything, I was on call with my dietitian. She's like, "Don't put on weight. Don't put on weight. You need to look pretty." So, yeah, but then overall, the whole team and everybody was so supportive that they made me feel very comfortable. That it just flew, and I loved each and every look, their team and everything they have come across with, and even the director was very supportive. She drilled the choreography in me. We did rehearsals for 8 hours, and I mean, I used to dance and everything, which was more like fun for me. And because I'm passionate, I used to do it, but I was not, it was a challenge for me uh, do rehearsals for 8 to 10 hours. And that was continuously for a couple of days. And yeah, they just drilled it in me, and they also gave me a lot of confidence, and they were
ये
like,
तो काफ़ी प्रिपरेशन आपको करना पड़ा। तो कुछ एडमायर किया था क्या स्टेप सीखने के लिए? कुछ आपने अलग से कुछ देखा था किसी को कि ये मैं परफ़ॉर्म करूँ या इस तरीके से परफ़ॉर्म करना चाहिए मुझे?
ऐसे तो मतलब I have probably watched each and every song of each and every actress, okay? And you name it, like whether it's Helen, whether it's Nora, whether it's Sushmita, whether it's Aishwarya, um, whether it's anybody, I must have gone through everything. Like I love watching cinema in overall. So I think I have anyways picked up from a lot of people, a lot of performances, but I also wanted to bring in my own element into it. So yeah,
और ऑब्वियसली आपका ये फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था और किसी का भी फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट जब होता है, बड़ी स्क्रीन पे या जब भी स्क्रीन पे आते हैं, तो सबसे पहले ये होता है कि उन्हें कमेंट सुनना पसंद है कि घर वाले या कौन अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है, कौन क्या रिस्पॉन्स तो आपको रिस्पॉन्स कैसे मिला और सबसे पहले आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसने दिया?
I think my sister called me, and she was very, very happy, and she's been following my journey since long. Um, so I think she really loved it. She got excited. She showed it to everybody, and that was a beautiful moment for me. But I also feel there's a long way to go. There are a long way, and I want to do and conquer a lot of stuff. So
तो कहीं न कहीं भी आपने कैमरा फेस कर लिया है, आपने काम भी किया है, तो अब आगे कैसे क्या प्लानिंग्स है कि क्या-क्या करना चाहते हो आप आगे?
So I am an actor. I think I want to do performance based roles now. And also I'm open for dance videos, music videos, where I can get to show a performance. So yeah, I think whatever comes, I'm more keen to see and understand and see whether it fits with me.
ये सॉन्ग के बाद में आपके पास कुछ ऑफर्स है, ऐसे कुछ सुनने में मिल रहा है कि साउथ से भी कुछ आपको कॉन्टैक्ट किया जा रहा है समथिंग?
Yeah, I am in talks with few directors. I've been reading some scripts. So let's see. Let's hope for the best. Though I love South cinema, so yeah.
बॉलीवुड में आप किसको हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आप किसे एडमायर करते हैं? एक्टर, एक्ट्रेसेस?
I think again in terms of actor, I really like Vicky Kaushal and Rajkumar Rao. I've looked up to them for their journey because somebody who has gotten craft to the cinema and also uh come from not come from a filmy background. It's a big I think I really admire that in them. and they are brilliant actors. So I think these two are one of a few of my favorites.
इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है तो सबसे पहले तो खुद पे काफ़ी ध्यान देना पड़ता है, खुद को मेंटेन रखना है, कॉम्प्लेक्शन सारी चीज़ें। तो आपका कैसे रूटीन है? कैसे क्या प्लानिंग्स है? क्या रूटीन होता है आपका खुद को?
So I wake up in the morning, I do icing on my face. That's like go-to. You can't compromise on that. And then I think a lot of water, and you hydrate yourself, drink a lot of water and everything. Um, and yeah, just moisturize, do toning, and I think honestly, inner glow is most important than anything else. I mean, you can do whatever, but if you do not have that positivity within you and energy which you can reflect to others, no beauty, no skincare will do the magic.
और आपको इंडस्ट्री में काम करने का मौका मिले तो सबसे पहले आप किसका नाम लेना चाहोगे जिसके साथ काम करना चाहो? एज़ अ एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस जिनके साथ?
I think Imtiaz Ali sir is my favorite. I've been watching his films ever since. His film Highway has really inspired me. And Alia Bhatt is someone whose acting we all know, performance we all know. It's just incredibly amazing. So as an actor also, I'm really inspired by her.
अपूर्वा जी, आपके आगे के जर्नी के लिए हमारी तरफ से आपको बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएँ। थैंक यू।